Bulavanaka, everybody. This is Eaton Beach Treasure. Once again, in Fiji, doing a bit of beach detecting and metal detecting. That's just a bit of a scenic look. Just like to say hello to some friends in Australia. Coral and Bee, today's Christmas Day. So have a Merry Christmas to you and your family. And I hope Anna and Tom has a good day as well. Alright, we'll go and try and find something special.
Six.
Oh, okay.
15.
Oh. Give it a nick. Let's give you a bit of an idea where we are at a different beach today. There you go. So I'm just sort of going along the high tide mark here and up towards the top as well. And I don't know if you can see through the bushes there, but just to the top there you can probably see a little roof. It's an old abandoned building. I might go up there and have a look as well. Anyway, I'll keep going down the bottom. That's the panoramic view. I'm just sort of walking through the bushes towards that that building. And it's fenced off. Whether it's to keep people out or animals out, because there's some crops growing here. I don't know if you can notice them straight in front of me. That's cassava. It's a root vegetable that's eaten a lot of here in Fiji. Cassava, and taro. That's that old building over there. See if I can get through over there somehow. Alright. The first tile just here. Just pulled it out a minute ago. An old spark plug. There you go. Spark plug. Oh well. Better than nothing, I suppose. Okay, but digging in that same hole. Thought I had one spark plug, but found another one. Two spark plugs. Huh. There you go. Okay, just moseying along. There's a nice turquoise or what do you call it? Aqua. Some sort of stone. Let's go and wash it. Huh. I don't know. Take it home, see if I can find what the local stones are here. There's some bands on it. Oh, it's a nice find anyway. Okay, keep going. This is where we are at the moment. Just at the mouth of the creek here. And there she is, helping again. But if you can see on the other side, the mountains. It's a beautiful little spot. Actually, as I'm walking along, there's a lot of signals that come up in the minus range. And that coincides with all that metal that I've been getting, just the roofing iron and a few bits of random metal. So I normally dig everything, but yeah, I've dug up 5 bits now and they're all just bits of junk metal, so I'll give those -2 to 5s a bit of a miss today. It looks like it's going to rain, so I want to try and get in as much as I can. Alright. Okay. Let's get the pin pointer out and have a look at some. What have we got? It's a bit of glass, that wouldn't be it. There we go. Got an old coin. No $1 coin. It's been there a while, it's a bit pitted. Got sort of holes in it, rust holes. Anyway. Keep going. First coin find for the day. Okay. Going a bit dig around here, there was one shallow. There we go. $2 coin. There's my little stash here, so I'll put that with my stash. I'll come back and have a look at it in a minute. Got a $1 and a $2. And the wind's starting to pick up. If you can see over that way, yeah, the rain's coming, so I'm going to have to pack up pretty soon. Anyway, I'll keep going before the rain gets here. I'm sort of looking around these logs here. Bit of a dig there, and I found a coin down the log a little bit further, so I thought there might be a few more, but I'm sort of working my way here. Like, you got the COVID masks. I'm not touching that one, but I'll pick it up with a bag so I don't have to touch it. Aluminium cans. For some reason or other, there's a lot of these plastic bags here. Don't know what they're from. There you go, there's another can there. Cans. You can see up there. More cans there as well. Probably another can. See a little bit. Oh, there we go. Just on the top. Ah, we have our glasses frames. Aviator glasses. Hey, some of you must look pretty cool in them. I might put them on and see if I can look cool without the lenses. Anyway, keep going. I'll keep them anyway. Keep them in the collection. Alright, keep going. Yeah, it's getting pretty dark now. This is just looking up the little creek up towards the village. I don't know if you can hear it, but the thunder's coming as well. Well, the rain's starting to come along, so I have to end it up here. This is just a bit of what we found, some old wire, some of the roofing iron, somebody's lunch, an old can, a couple of spark plugs out of that one hole that we saw first off, a $1 and a $2. They're okay. That's those green stones. Don't know what they are. I'll take them home and have a Google, see what's local to this area in Fiji. This is one I didn't show you when I dug it up. It's got a metal lid, so I showed you. It was a Warwick, Fiji, tawny port. Plastic bottle. Little metal lid, but I don't think they make the glass bottles anymore. Probably too expensive. And there, and this one here obviously didn't dig up, but I just found it down in the rocks. Looks like a beak off a, I don't know, a stingray or something, like the snout. Maybe? I don't know. If anybody knows, they can just put in a comment below what they think it is. Well, Merry Christmas. So yeah, so I don't know what that is. But anyway, I've got to pick up this little bit of rubbish here, which is just sitting on the top. We've got a little pile of it just down there. Got a plastic bag, we'll just throw it in that and take it home. It's a shame really they mess it up. But anyway, that was today. That was all the finds we just looked at there. As you can see towards the point there, the rain's starting to close in. Got a few little drops. Even the young fellas there, they're heading off as well. They've been down there swimming as well. So I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas and Santa was kind to everybody. Until next time, Vinaka.